Yo, what's up? It's Amigos. Today we're doing an epic toaster review. We're gonna use brown bread. Okay, so I'm gonna switch cameras. Alright, so here's the toaster, generic white one, We got the something model. Fits 2 slices of bread. Today we're gonna use the brown bread, Alright, so it's turned on. We're going to put it in, turn it on. We're going to see how good it toasts. I'm going to cut back when it's finished. Okay, so we're getting quite close to the end. Let's check up on it. We got a little bit of coloration, Oh, we keep it going. Maybe a couple more seconds on there. See that inside, Smell nice. Alright. Okay. We'll use white bread. See you guys in the next episode.